I saw some interesting news coming out of the regional body for football, CONCACAF, that the upcoming hexagonal final round of Qatar 22 World Cup qualifiers, because of the COVID crisis and the resultant congestion of fixtures, they are thinking of rescheduling, restructuring, and compressing the format of the qualifiers. In the words of CONCACAF President, Mr. Victor Montagliani, quote, calendar issues are piling up at our doorsteps. We might have to look at reformatting, whether it is hexagonal or some other shape, end quote. And right now when we get suspicious, as it is right now, the hexagonal round, which includes Jamaica, has 6 teams set to play 10 games, 5 at home and 5 away, with the top 3 qualifying automatically and 4th place involved in a playoff. Now, if CONCACAF reformats and restructures and compresses that format, how it will go? Less games, maybe a one-off qualifying tournament, more than likely in USA or Mexico, taking away the home advantage of teams like Jamaica. Me not trust this reformatting business. Keep the playing field as level as possible. 5 games at home and 5 away. Anything short of that cannot be fair. Tweak the upcoming season, create more FIFA dates, but don't ramp with the integrity of World Cup qualifying. I bet if Jack Warner did demo, them think I could have won. Yes, that's true.